Suppose a Rochester roofing company wants to appear when a homeowner asks Google how to tell hail damage from ordinary roof wear. A consultant offers a secret AI search file. Google's current guidance says no special AI-only markup is required. The better move is to test one useful page. Define the audience before editing. This page is for a local homeowner who has seen a recent storm, can inspect only from the ground, and wants to know whether a professional inspection is justified. The business action is a qualified inspection request, not merely a page view. Capture a 28-day baseline. In Search Console, record the page's impressions and clicks for hail damage queries. In Analytics or the form system, count sessions that begin on this page and produce an inspection request containing a Rochester area service address and a storm-related concern. Keep the title, address, offer, and request form unchanged during the test. Now inspect the existing page. Imagine it contains a generic paragraph saying to check the roof after a storm, plus one decorative house photograph. The useful facts are vague. The image does not show hail bruising. A person cannot tell what is safe to inspect, what evidence to save, or when to call a roofer. Change that one page. Add original labeled photographs comparing hail bruising, blistering, and ordinary wear. Explain what can be observed safely from the ground. Show which roof slopes, gutters, vents, and downspouts can provide supporting evidence without climbing. List the date, address, wide photographs, close photographs, and contractor report an insurer may request. State clearly that a licensed inspection is needed before deciding the roof is damaged. Make those facts visible as readable page text rather than placing every explanation inside an image. Add descriptive alternative text for the photographs. Link to the company's inspection process and service area. If structured data describes the business, service, image, author, or frequently asked questions, make sure it matches what a visitor can see. Google's guidance treats structured data as a description of visible content, not a substitute for it. The hypothesis is specific. For Rochester area hail damage queries, this evidence-rich page will earn more qualified organic inspection requests per 100 landing sessions than the old generic page. The primary metric is qualified request rate. Search impressions and clicks are diagnostic metrics. Generative AI visibility in Google's Search Console report is another diagnostic, not the business outcome. After Google has recrawled the page, observe the next 28 days. Do not rewrite the title, change the offer, launch a roofing promotion, and replace the form at the same time. One interpretable intervention is more valuable than 6 simultaneous improvements. Now interpret the result. If impressions rise but qualified request rate does not, the page may be reaching broader or less relevant queries. Inspect query mix and whether the answer satisfies curiosity without creating inspection intent. If impressions stay flat but qualified request rate rises, the page improved the experience for existing visitors, but it did not prove better AI search discovery. If both rise and the new queries match Rochester hail damage intent, keep the page and extend the evidence pattern to the next relevant asset. Set a decision rule before seeing the result. For example, keep the change if the page produces at least 10 qualified requests in the test window and improves qualified request rate by 20% or more without a surge in irrelevant query traffic. If volume is too small, extend the observation period rather than declaring victory from 2 leads. Weather is the largest confounder. A second hailstorm can raise demand regardless of the page. Record storm dates, branded versus non-branded query mix, paid campaigns, and major ranking changes. Compare with a similar service page that was not changed, while remembering that no control page is perfectly identical. This experiment still follows Google's broader guidance. The page must be crawlable, indexed, and snippet eligible. Its important facts must be visible, its markup must match, Its business information must stay accurate, and its evidence must be genuinely useful. The difference is that one audience, one page, one change, and one business metric let the company learn whether the work helped instead of buying a shortcut and guessing.